Hi, Changliang. Welcome to my studio.
Yeah.
Firstly, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Chang Liang, and you can call me Li as well. I'm from China. I'm doing the MA course this year. The major is film practice.
Oh, do you like sports?
Oh yeah, I like playing basketball. When I was in my country, but now I couldn't find the available field to play the basketball, so it's a pity. Yeah.
Oh, about your major, which kinds of films do you like?
I like suspense film very much. Like The Seventh and The Cube. Yeah, I think it's very interesting and it can attract the audience and to make them uh, pay more attention to the film. Yeah,
Oh,
I love it so much.
very good. Thank you for your interview.
Yeah, thank you very much.